Good morning, Dave here with Organic Gardening in North Carolina. It is August the 11th, and I'm gonna pick the some of the watermelons and see if they're ripe, see if they're good to eat. These, let me turn the camera around. These are actually, I looked up the package and they are sugar baby watermelons. The vines got sort of dried out because we had a spot where it was really dry and I didn't irrigate them. However, some of the vines look like they're starting to recover and getting some more babies on. So maybe they will have time to grow before the frost comes. And I even planted some seeds to see if I could get some more to grow. The vine is growing over here too. Some babies up there. So here's the ones that I'm ready to pick. There's the tendril here that, if that's dried up, it's a good indication that it's ready to be picked. And these down here are totally dry. I don't know if these are gonna be mature enough, because like I said, when it stopped raining, they sort of stopped growing. We'll take a look at them. There's a couple little ones I'm gonna take in. There's one that's almost like a gourd. That's really light. There's definitely nothing worthwhile in that one. And I'm not sure about these. This one feels pretty heavy. Then I'll get this eventually too. This one feels pretty heavy too. It's amazing the vine was able to support that. Okay, I'm going to take these two in the house and cut them up. Okay, here we go. I'm going to try to cut this open with one hand and hold the camera with one hand and hold the knife with one hand. That makes 3 hands. Not sure how that's going to work. I said I'm going to cut this with one hand with the knife, one hand holding the watermelon, and one hand holding the camera. I don't know how that's going to work. How do you think that's going to work?
I don't know.
Woo, look at that.
Whoa, that looks good.
You want to take a bite and see?
Let me see. Look at that watermelon.
You want to take a bite and see? Here's your spoon.
Isn't that fresh? Look at all those nice goods. Hey, well in the laundry room, though.
What do you think?
Pretty good. Not too ripe, but yeah, pretty good.
Maybe the other bigger one would be more ripe. There we have it.
Maybe the one in the fence.
Yeah, we'll have to cut that one out, huh? All right, let me see. There we have it.
Cut the fence.
We have
I don't have
ripe watermelon being eaten as we speak, as we film. Thanks for watching. Have a blessed day, and I will see you soon.